Create custom bundles with categories in WooCommerce Product Bundle plugin. Navigate to WooCommerce Products, and click on Add New to create a new product. Set a name for the WooCommerce category bundle product. And click on Set Product Image from the right sidebar and select an image for your category bundle product. Now navigate to the Product Data panel, and select Product Bundle as the product type. After selecting Product Bundle as the product type, the Product Bundles tab will appear in the Product Data panel. Navigate to the Product Bundles tab and click on the Add Bundle button to add a new bundle item. In Item 1, in the Categories field, you can include as many categories as you want. It will load products from the selected categories. We search for the hoodie category and select it. Use the Quantity field to set the default quantity of selected category items. If the quantity is editable by the user, then select Edit Quantity by User and set the min and max quantity fields. With the Discount field, you can set the percentage or price or fixed price discount on the selected product, and set a value for that. We set a 25% discount on the hoodies category. If you would like to add more bundle items, then you can repeat previous step instructions. We repeated the rule and added item 2 for the pants category. Also, we will set a 15% discount on the pants category. The WooCommerce Product Bundle plugin offers two pricing strategies. 1. A fixed price for the whole bundle product. 2. Auto-calculate the price based on selected products. If you would like to set a fixed price for the whole bundle product, check the Fixed Price option, navigate to the General tab and set a regular price for the product. You can set a sale price too. And to use the Auto-Calculate Price feature, uncheck the Fixed Price option. At the end, publish the changes. Now we open the permalink to see the category bundle product page. Now in the category bundle page, you see two items. Item 1 has a hoodie category with an applied 25% discount. And Item 2 has a pants category with an applied 15% discount. You can see a list of selected products and can change the quantity of selected products from this field. With the change in the quantity of products, immediately auto-calculated the new total price of products. Now we click on Add to Cart button to see the category product bundle in cart page. Category bundle product is seen in the cart page like this. Thanks for watching. Please support us by like and subscribe our channel, and check the description for more information.